सो हाय एवरीवन, मैं हूँ यशस्वी सिंह और मैं आ चुकी हूँ आज प्रगति मैदान में। और आज यहाँ का तीसरा दिन है और यहाँ की भीड़ को देख के आपको लग रहा होगा कि यहाँ कितना एक्साइटिंग एग्जीबिशन हुआ है। तो आज मैं आपको एक स्टॉल पे ले जाऊँगी जिसका नाम है प्रामा, और इनके पास बहुत सारी सिक्योरिटी डिवाइसेस हैं एंड दे वर्क इन मेड फॉर इंडिया, मेड बाय इंडिया एंड मेड इन इंडिया। सो लेट्स गो एंड टॉक टू द एग्जिबिटर्स नाउ। सो हाय सर।
Hello.
So first tell me about yourself and about your company.
So my name is Himanshu Jain and I am heading Prama Projects business. Okay, so now you want to know about what is Prama. So Prama is an Indian brand with 100% Indian pedigree getting manufactured locally in India. We are following the mission of our Honorable Prime Minister's vision, that is Atmanirbhar Bharat. So we are contributing towards making India self-reliant as well as generating lot of employment opportunities.
So what are your products you are showcasing here?
Yeah, so we have got a wide range of products under Prama India. We have got HDTVI cameras, we have got IP cameras, we have got IRMS panel, we have got body-worn cameras, we have got mobile enforcement kits. So everything which is falling under surveillance parlance, we have got everything.
Okay, so basically it is made in India, made for
So India, yeah. So this is our theme, and we are really taking a pride in the fact that we are contributing towards making India self-reliant.
So as it is the third day of this exhibition, what's your feedback? Like how was the crowd and everything?
So the footfalls have been amazing so far, and we started off on first, right? First, second and third. So today is the last day. So the response has been quite overwhelming. We have seen lot of footfalls increasing day by day, and we are quite happy with the way the things have progressed so far.
And what about the management? What would you like to say about the management?
Management means the IFSEC management.
Yeah.
So keep doing the good work. The result and effort we can see easily, the way you have put up everything and the way you have managed to pull in the crowd also. So let's keep the spirits high, and we wish you all the best for the next year also.
That's really great. So is it the first time you're participating here or?
No, we have been a consistent participant of IFSEC. For us, this is one of the important show pertaining to surveillance. Yeah.
So can you show me about some products?
Yeah, please. So this is our IRMS panel. We call it Integrated Remote Management System. This is the flagship product of Prama India. All are getting manufactured in our factory. So the beauty of this product is you have got DVRs, NVRs, cameras, relays, sensor, everything is inside. So, and it talks to each other because it is on the same PCB. Okay. And the best part about this is you can manage multiple sites using this product for e-surveillance purpose. We are doing aggressively for banking, and this can be used across other locations also, like your education sector, your petrol pumps, retail segment. So we are putting everything under one roof. Okay, it has got sensors, so if there's any fire, it will detect. If there's any burglary, it will detect. So we call this as an integrated remote management system, wherein we are putting everything under one roof. It is expandable up to 64 zones. You can connect your DVRs, NVRs, cameras, analog cameras, IP cameras, access control, intrusion, everything.
Okay, that's really great.
I'll show you the other products.
Yeah, sure.
We also have vertical and solutions in Prama, because every vertical is having its own requirement. You cannot have the same solution for all the verticals. So what we have done, we have curated a different solution for each vertical. I'm talking about hospitality now. So in hospitality, we all know ever since Taj attack has happened, the security has been intensified across the hotels. We cannot compromise on the safety of our guests. So these are very cutting edge products. We have got speed dome camera, which is again a very beautiful product. It gives you optical zoom, long distance coverage. Then we have got a dome camera, which you can put it at the reception and you can have a wider angle. Then you have a bullet camera, so which will give you long distance focal coverage. So we want to cover each and every corner of the hotel so that our guests who are staying inside, 360-degree view, they feel safe. They feel safe in their property.
So is there any software for this?
Yeah, so we are having our own VMS that we call it Prama VMS. The beauty of Prama VMS is ki it supports all third-party systems also. So our camera will talk to third-party system also using our VMS. So we talk about interoperability across the devices, because interoperability is very important. If you don't have an integration with the third-party devices, then it will not work. Every device should talk to each other. So compatibility is the key. So this is again our healthcare solution. So healthcare again, we have come up with cutting edge solutions for healthcare. When we say healthcare, it can be your hospital, it can be your pharmaceutical company, okay? Because they also need cameras for the surveillance purpose, for any hospital to record the two-way communication between the patient and the hospital staff. So everything is getting recorded in the camera so that you can have a clarity on the thoughts. What patient wants, what the hospital wants, and they should be on the same page. Similarly, we are installing cameras at different pharmaceutical companies also, so that they also maintain lot of cleanliness. The cleanliness levels are very different because critical medicines are getting manufactured. So we have deployed our high-end solutions at healthcare sector also.
Okay, I can see here a difference between the quality.
No, it is just the camera is moving. Okay, this is the fixed camera. This is our bullet camera. This is the fixed camera. This camera is moving, so frames are also moving. The clarity is up to the mark. These are all 2 megapixel cameras with 1920 into 1080p resolution.
And what about this face capture? What does it mean?
So they are capturing the face of the person, and later they will do the face recognition. So this will give us the idea ki which person is coming, okay, how many times he has visited our outlet or healthcare vertical or any medical store. So we can correlate, and this will help us in the business intelligence. Okay, he is our frequent customer, or he is our prospective customer. So we can do a lot of analysis using that data.
And if any person is wearing mask, then what about?
Yeah, so it will give a trigger. You are not wearing a mask. If it is that the person is wearing a mask, then again we have to set the mechanism in such a way it will detect.
Okay, that's really nice.
So our company's head office is located at Borivali, okay, which is our corporate and as well as head office. And we have got distributors and dealers across Maharashtra. So anyone who wants to buy, they can reach out to our dealers and distributors. And moreover, they can also check on our website www.pramaindia.in. So you will get the complete idea of our product portfolio, range and solutions.
Thank you.
Thank you. Pleasure. Pleasure.